Welcome to this step-by-step guide to Revolut business account features. Revolut is a digital banking platform that offers a range of features to help businesses manage their finances efficiently. In this tutorial, we will explore the key features of a Revolut business account and how to use them effectively. Firstly, to get started with a Revolut business account, you need to sign up on the Revolut website or through the mobile app. The sign-up process is straightforward and requires you to provide basic business information and verify your identity. Once you have set up your account, you can start using the various features. One of the key features of a Revolut business account is the ability to create multiple users and set different permissions for each user. This allows you to control who can access your account and what actions they can perform. Another important feature is the ability to track your expenses and income in real time. You can categorize your transactions and set budgets for different areas of your business. This helps you stay on top of your finances and make informed decisions. Revolut also offers a range of payment features, including the ability to send and receive payments in multiple currencies. You can also generate invoices and track payments from clients. This makes it easy to manage your cash flow and get paid on time. In addition to these features, Revolut also offers a range of analytics and reporting tools. You can view detailed reports on your transactions, income, and expenses, and use this information to optimize your business performance. To get the most out of your Revolut business account, it is essential to set up and use the features effectively. Start by setting up your account and creating multiple users with different permissions. Then, track your expenses and income in real time and use the payment features to manage your cash flow. By following these steps and using the features of a Revolut business account, you can streamline your financial management, reduce costs, and increase productivity. Revolut is a powerful tool for businesses of all sizes. And by understanding how to use its features, you can take your business to the next level.